Hello guys, today I have got the EDIFIER W280NB Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your battery level in your headphones is not reliable. So, actually the first thing that I would actually do is to charge these headphones up to 100% and check if the battery is fixed. If the battery still isn't fixed and it's still not reliable because it, for example, lasts for only 10 minutes, pair your headphones with a different device and check for the battery status. Maybe something has bugged in your phone and it can't read, or maybe something bug happened. If it still didn't help you, you need to try to factory reset them. If they are turned on, hold this minus and plus buttons over here, and you need to hold it till you see this light goes green 6 times. The factory reset should help you fix the issue at all. If you still didn't fix your issue, probably the battery sensor is at fault and you need to get a new one, or get the headphones replaced. Goodbye.